Howdy, friends and neighbors. This is Built on the Budget, coming to you with another live video showcasing some of the things that we are doing, updating the projects that's on this website. Just like to tell you thank you very much for you subscribing to my channel and you notifying yourself that I shot another video and you're sharing it with your friends. So once again, thank you. And then we gonna show you what we doing. I'm gonna tell you what, my wife tell me, she said, boy, you trip yourself out. And I do. Man, life is too short for you to live it all bound up, tangled up, worried about everything and stressed about anything, man. Built on the Budget, what you see in his videos, live a stress-free life because I'm blessed, man. So what you're gonna get is me tripping a lot of times because I actually have fun doing these videos, man. I got 76 subscribers. Can you believe that? 76 subscribers, man. There has been 76 people that say, hey, I like for this crazy dude to come in my house on the weekly and kind of entertain me. He funny, or he look funny, or something funny about him that I kind of like. And I want to thank every last one of you for inviting me into your home each and every day. So what I'm gonna do is first,
yeah, Built on the Budget, drop that intro.
and I'm back. What I'm gonna do is turn this camera around, show you the reason of this video. Got a package in. The day is Thursday when I'm shooting this video, and so I want to show you what came in the mail on yesterday. Got a package. Alrighty then, let's check it out. I done ripped it open, but I want to unbox it just for my family. It's not a whole lot, but it's something that I was wanting and that I needed. So, you know, I see people unboxing on their channel and stuff, and I be like, why this joker can't open this box with one hand? Man, get the box open. And here I am, I'm tripping. So here I go. I'm struggling, and I done opened it. What we got here? See what we got right here. Sucky now. What we got, baby? Let me do this other one here. I'm working on getting that front end right. What we got there? Some clear headlights, park lights. Look at that. Let me see how she gonna look inside of here. Get a good little shot of her. I need to find out what's up and what's down. All right. What you think? Put down in the comment. Tell me what you think. I still got to get this lens right here. I'm missing that one on that corner, but I get it. But what you think, family? Do that look trick? Huh? I like that. I like that. Like I said, put down in the comment. Tell me what you think. Do the clear lights look good? You know, I had a 94 grill in this truck, and I changed it and put the original 88 grill back in it. But now the 88s, 89 had the 4 headlights, the original glass headlights. Now I didn't really like that, but I like the grill. And see, I painted that grill to black and cleaned it up, and you know, them lights. The wind blowing, the wind getting up out here. Yeah, the lights actually look good on there. I got to run some paper down before it blow all the way across the yard. Here I go. But like I said, comment below. Tell me what you think about the lights. Is that a good look or not? I won't show you me installing them or anything. I just wanted to kind of show you that I had them. The project still goes on. 88 stepside short bed. You new to this channel, go back and look at where this truck used to be a long wheelbase and see it from where it started from, and see how far it came on this channel. I think that you can appreciate it, and I know I do. And that was one of the beginning of my channel, is where I started out working on this truck. So I still got a lot of content to come. Baby girl, she's in the making. Big boy, he's still in the making. Roscoe, he just notified me the other day that he should have his drop kit in for his 82 short bed stepside, and once he get it in and we get the time, we gotta drop that puppy, and I'm gonna bring you the exclusive video of that. Baby boy, he said he still got something coming down the pipe, and you know, we just sitting around waiting until these guys with these projects say they ready to show you a little bit more, and then we shooting that footage. So it's gonna always be some good content on this channel. Man, I got stuff that we don't even talk about no more. I mean, you know, I still got that short bed. I still got that car, and I still have sitting over in the hole. You know what I'm saying? And I got stuff piled on the top of it, but it still got tags and insurance on it. I crank it up on the weekly. I drive it every now and then when I feel like it. But we got some good stuff. Can bring you a lot of content with it. And so, like I said in the beginning, I appreciate every last one of you that has signed on, we're built on the budget, become part of this family, that allow me to come into your household on a weekly basis. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so very much for all that you do. And my sponsors, the people, man, that has given into this channel. Man, you will only be surprised how much people has given to this channel, because they not only believe in me, but they believe in this channel, and they want to see it grow. And man, the donations has been tremendous, man. I mean, I can't begin to tell you what has been donated to my channel, and the blessings that I get constantly to help me bring this content. And to my supporters, hey man, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you, all that you do, and all that you've done. And so, you know, Everybody just stay tuned to this channel, man. Summertime finna break. Man, it's finna get hot, and it's gonna be a lot going on tomorrow, which will be Friday. Me and my wife, we going down to Run to the Sun 2021 down at Myrtle Beach. We've been doing it now for over 25 years, and last year they didn't have it because of COVID. This year they decided that they were going to try to have it. We're going to go down, and we are COVID minded. We don't care who lift the mandates, what restrictions is being eased. We still is COVID minded as people, and we're not going to relax our guard and let them down. But I'm hoping that at some way that being safe, I can still bring some exclusive footage on different cars. I don't know, what I want to shoot. I know I'll be shooting OBS stuff. I know I'll be shooting C10 stuff. I'm gonna be shooting street rod stuff, maybe G bodies. I don't know, man. There's so much stuff down there, but I want to bring to the channel some things that my subscribers want to see. I hate I didn't post this video early in order to get your comments on what you wanted to see, so I could bring it to you exclusive. But I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna shoot some stuff that I think that is really nice. So I'm gonna turn this thing off and get back with you on another video built on the budget, saying subscribe to this channel, thumbs up, share it, and always I welcome your comments. So until the next video, peace.